Hi, did you know that starting with iOS 16, you can now recover deleted messages straight on your iPhone? If you're already using iOS 16, all you have to do to recover any deleted messages from the last 30 to 40 days is to head to the main Messages app window and push on the Edit button up to the left. Here, just tap on Show Recently Deleted, whereupon all the deleted messages from the last 30-ish days will appear. To recover messages from any conversation, just select the conversation in question followed by Recover, and then confirm by pressing Recover once more. And after that, your messages will pop straight back into the conversation window, just like they were never gone. Also, if you want to permanently and immediately delete messages starting with iOS 16, you now need to repeat this process, but instead of pressing Recover, press Delete down the bottom to the left. If you do not delete the messages in the recently deleted folder, they will be automatically removed after around 30 days by themselves. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.